Hey y'all, welcome back to Simply Krystle, or welcome if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this goodness, and I'm so excited to share with y'all because this is such a great beginner friendly wig. Like, it just hits all the points. But before we get into all of the details and all the nitty gritty, if you are new here, make sure that you are subscribed so you can be part of the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, talk to me down in the comments. You know how we do up in here.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a love bomb. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a love bomb. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try, long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day, all day. Send me gifts just because it's Tuesday. Tell me where we went wrong.
Okay, you guys, so now that we have installed this goodness, let's go ahead and get into the specs of this wig. If you are interested in the specs and the pros and the cons of what I think about this unit, go ahead and continue to watch. Specs. This is a kinky curly 12-inch unit from YASGRL. Okay, you're gonna get the HD lace, the C-shaped parting space. It's 180 density. It is 12 inches long, and y'all, it's a 5x5 closure wig. Now, in regards to the pricing of this unit is only $140. And you can pick her up off of Amazon. It does not get any easier than that. Now, to jump right on into the cons, because y'all, I don't really have much bad to say about this wig. I have one notice, is that it's listed as a 12-inch, but I don't know if this is 12 inches. It seems like it's kind of shorter than what they said, but it is a curly, kinky curly unit, so that may be why it looks and feels shorter. Even when I stretched it out, it just seemed significantly shorter than what the 12-inch may be. To lead right on into the pros, I love how this unit is already layered. A lot of times when companies make these Afrocentric or kinky 4C edges, like really getting into the deep roots of the 4C African-American women hair, they just give us like an afro. It's not layered, and you're having to go in there and really customize the wig to cut layers and frame your face. I didn't have to do any of that. And I loved that with this kinky curly unit. Now, it does kind of take away from the 12-inch, but I do love that it's giving this chiseled look, almost like a bob, but it's not a bob. It's just layered, and it just really hits the nail right on top of the head with mimicking a African-American woman's hair. Like, I feel so empowered wearing this unit, y'all. It's gorgeous. I feel like it's fitting my face beautifully, and it's a great unit to start off with. So that's the first pro. In regards to the rest of the pros, you guys, they are endless. I love that the wig is soft. The curls are so detailed. Like, I didn't even do much. I sprayed water, as you guys could see in the video earlier. I sprayed water on it and the curls were already popping before I added any product. And I love that. It definitely shows the luxurious side of the quality of hair that they chose to construct this wig. I love that it's beginner friendly and it's big head friendly. I'm not having to fool with a lot of lace. This can be worn glueless. I mean, you cannot get any better than that, especially while it is hot and in the summer. This is perfect to throw on and go. And boom, here we are, looking like goodness. Another thing that I enjoyed about this unit is all the pieces of security. So it has the elastic band, it has the comb with the adjustable strap. You cannot go wrong with picking this unit up, you guys. She a 10, baby. I ain't got no problems. Another thing, no shedding, no tangling. I mean, now this is a curly unit. You're gonna run into some tangling later on. But however, usually I'm getting tangling and shedding. Now, I got a few strands just now pulling my hands through there. I don't know. Let me see. I got a few strands. But overall, y'all, very little to no shedding. No tangling. Baby, she a 10. I am in love with this unit. YASGRL has done it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I truly appreciate you guys supporting me on my journey as I'm bringing you guys my beauty hacks and just different things that I love when it comes to my whole look. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you love today's video, and leave me some love down in the comments. Let me know what you are thinking about this unit. It's summertime. How are you guys wearing your hair? What units are you wearing? Are you going to pick this one up? You guys know I'm going to put all the details down in the description box, so go ahead and check that information out. And if I miss anything, feel free to ask. Now, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.